The betting is closed. Then the race is on. Ultimate Royal moving up down on the inside is Litong Lito. Running in between runners is runner number 6, Calaguas Island. Running from the outside is Isla de Romero as they race towards the half-mile pole. Calaguas Island in command, followed by Ultimate Royal in second. Running from the outside, third, Isla de Romero. Litong Lito is racing in fourth. Moving up down on the inside is Pilia as they round towards the 600. Calaguas Island leading the field by about 2 lengths. Running in second is the stablemate Isla de Romero. Ultimate Royal drops back in third, then followed by Litong Lito, Pilia as they race at the final corner. Calaguas Island is still leading the field. Running from the outside, Isla de Romero by the rail. Ultimate Royal, Litong Lito running in fourth. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, we have Calaguas Island leading the field. And finally at the finish line, Calaguas Island, Litong Lito. Then comes Isla de Romero, Ultimate Royal, Pilia, Copernicus for your Pentafecta.
Second choice. Number 6, that's Calaguas